Hi, hello guys. Welcome again to Web Development for Kids and Teens. Hope you guys have been enjoying the lessons and learning a lot of stuff, right? This is the 13th video, and this is gonna be the second to the last video, right? We've learned a lot, and I just want to show you guys like one more thing, right, before we round the lesson up. So the next video is just gonna be project demo, right? So I'm working with some kids, right, that are watching my videos and they are doing their work and I'm reviewing their code. So the next video will just be for them to show their work, what they've done, right, and what they've learned, right, so that anyone watching this video, will be able to know that, oh yeah, if these guys can do it, I can do it too. Okay, so today the first thing that I will do is do a recap of what we've done so far, what we've learned, right? So we've learned HTML5. You know what HTML5 is. We know how to write code in HTML5. We know the basics of HTML. How to open your open any tag and close it. We know our HTML tag. We know our header, our paragraphs, our divs, and everything that we talk about, right? So tables, how to create lists, ordered and unordered lists, and all of that. Okay. So we also explain how to um, use uh, the graphics, put images, and even video in our um, website. Also, we talk about like the contact me form, like page, right? We have HTML forms there. Then we did a little bit of JavaScript, right? I didn't want to do more of JavaScript because I don't want you guys to get confused, because JavaScript is more about more programming, right? So uh, we'll I will use Python to teach you guys programming, right? So then we can come back to JavaScript later, right? Then we talk about CSS. We use CSS to change so many things: background colors, change font size, background image, and all of that. This shouldn't be here, but yeah, page alignment, so we use CSS for that. So I want to assume that you guys know all of that, and this is kind of the page that you were able to build, right? You guys should have something like this. If you watch this video to this level, you should have something working and you deploy it on GitHub, and it's also mobile friendly. Yes. Okay, so you have all of this. Okay, we're able to do all of that. So today I'm going to teach you guys something cool. It's called website template, right? Website template. All right, so just please focus on this, because this is probably what you're going to use going forward, right? um so a website template is a pre-made web page, meaning that someone has done the web page, like someone has done the website, okay, or set of pages where any user can insert their content, text, image, media to get a publish ready website. So what this is saying is that website template, is like a website that someone has done before, right? And they just put it out there, right? And anybody can just grab that website, download it, and change it to what they want, right? So, like what we did for our own website, we wrote everything from scratch, our HTML, our CSS, we did everything from beginning to end, right? That's a lot of work, and I actually put you guys through that so that you will learn, right, and you will also know how to read code and how to debug, right? But in real world, like in real scenario, right, what people do is that they will download a template, right, like an already made website. They will download it and they will just make some changes, right, and they will publish it. So it makes development so fast, right? So you can build a very good and nice website within 1 week because of this, and I will show you guys how to do that, right? So it is easy to use, and helps to develop website faster, right? You develop website faster. So how to use website template? Like I said, you can download a template online based on your project, right? So if you want to build website for a school, you download website for template for school, or is it for church, or you want to build a website for your family, that's like website that has information about your family, you look for something like that. So there are different kind of web templates. You have to look for the one that kind of go like that goes along with what you want to build. Okay, so after you have the template downloaded, then you can now go into the code, right? So that's why, like, I actually took you guys through the long route, so you know, if you want to change image, you know where to change image. If you want to change text, if you want to change the color in the template, you know where to go, right? So that's where the lot of work is. And after that, you can publish your website. You can use github to publish it, and you can use anything that you want. Okay, so that is that. So let's go into uh the real thing. Okay, so I'm gonna do this. Okay, so there are many places that you can get templates. You can just Google get HTML template, template, right? And you see a lot of results, right? But some of them will ask you for money, some of them is full of ads, some of them is not really good. So I found one that is really good, although it has some premium stuff, but some of the free ones are really good too. So the website is this. So I'll put it in the description, but if you're not able to get it, so just see it's free html5.co, right? That's all you need to do. Okay, so you see all of these templates, you can download them, right? And you can edit them. See all this free stuff, and it's a lot, right? So I encourage you to go through some of them, right? um and download and edit. I'll show you how to do that. Okay, so what I would do in this case is I will choose one template, right? And I will edit it, and I will show you guys how to edit it and publish it, right? So but I want you guys to choose a different template than the one that I would choose. Okay, so for example, to see, like, even under here you have category. If you want to build for church, or you want a coming soon website, or you want for education, which means like your school, you want for law firm, maybe like someone has a law firm and you want to build website for them, or you have someone that has a business for photography and you want to build for them, or someone that is getting ready for a wedding, maybe one of your uncles or your aunties or anyone, right? You can just create a website for them for free, right? Well, I mean, not for free. Yeah, so but the one that I so let me show you for, like, for education, just for you guys to see, right? See this one. So you demo and download. See demo. So this is the demo. We can see the demo right here. See, like, the website is already done. So see all of this. When you download this, you see all of this. You just have to change the pictures, right? So but I'm not doing for school, right? So I will go back to the main one. So again, choose the one that you want, but the one that I'm choosing is for church, right? So I'm choosing the one that's, so, like, I want to choose one that I can use. So, like, yeah, I just chose this one. Yeah. So I will show you guys how to download and how to change images. And again, don't choose this one, choose another one that you like. Okay, good. So the first thing that you want to do is demo and download. Click on that. Good. Then free version, download, demo and download. See, people have downloaded this 11,163 times. So you click on this one. Okay, so this is the website itself, right? This is how it looks. Then you now click on free download here. Okay, so click on free download. Then it will ask you for your name and your email address. I mean, they are giving you something for free, so yeah. So again, you don't have to put your full name. So I just put two letters in my name, right? But you have to give them your email address because they will send you a link to your email address to confirm, right? So just give them your email address. Like they won't do anything, like they will just send you some beep. They will be sending you some promotions and all of that that you can cancel anytime. So put your email, gmail.com. Then you click on this. Then it says send me email. Oops. So they said that they've sent me email. Okay, so now this is the email right here. So you just click on access our template. That's all you have to do. Okay, so you say thank you for subscribing. Then you come back here, you kind of refresh this, then you should be able to download it. Okay, so now I have it downloaded. It's church.zip. Okay, so now go to your download. That's where the file is gonna be. So you go to your download. So this is it right there. So what you want to do, so this is like a zip file, so you need to unzip it. Okay, so when you unzip it, then you have a folder. So on Mac, if you are working on Mac, so to unzip, you just double click on the file. But if you are working on Windows, right, so you right click on it and it will show you the option for unzip to this folder. So unzip to church folder, or zip to the name of the folder. Okay, so when you right click, don't choose the option of unzip here. No, on Windows, so unzip to the name, like to the name of the file, right? Okay, so but I'm on Mac, so I'll just double click on it and it will open. So if you're not so sure how to unzip the file, right, so just um go to Google and say how to unzip file, right? How to unzip file on Windows, right? But it should be good, right? Yeah, it should be good. Okay, so now that we have it in here, so I'm gonna copy this. Let's copy it, and I'm gonna put it in my project folder. So let me see, I think I can do. So yeah, so this is my project. So you have to look for it in your, if you are using Windows, your file explorer. If you are using Mac, in your finder. Okay, so where your project is, where did all of this is, just paste it. See, now I have this church. Then when I go to my code, see, I have everything in here. I have the CSS, the images. There's some other stuff in here, right? Just leave them, right? So like for example, font and JavaScript, like a lot of stuff in there, but don't focus on that. Okay, so now I have everything in here, all the code. See their index, everything, event, everything is in here. Okay, so now if I want to look at it, look at that website, so I can go to index. So now I have it on my system. See, I have the website now downloaded. So now, so assuming that I'm building a website for my church, so I have the template. All I have to do now is just edit it. Okay. So for example, if I want to change this, living in God's amazing grace. So let's say I want to design this for my uh youth church in my school, in my church, right? Like youth in my church. So I can just say welcome to the youth section of RCCG. RCCG is my church. Okay, so all I have to do is locate where this is in the code. Okay, so I can do that by just searching for this, right? That's how you search for it. See, it's not this one. So living in God's amazing presence, so it's this one, right? So all I can do is welcome to RCCG Amazing Grace Youth Church. Again, download the template that you want and do anything that you want to do, right? It might take you a week to do this, or I don't know, but just make sure that you understand what you see. Welcome to RCCG Amazing Grace. See, that's how you make some changes, right? Okay, so that's how to change the text. So now you see that there are some images in here. If you check the original this thing, you see there are some images here. So I can locate where this is in the code and add some image, right? So I'll teach you how to change text, how to change image, and how to change color. I think that's all you need, right? Then you figure the rest out. So now to know where this image is, like these images are, okay, so all we have to do is this. Let me change my view. So so the images are on the index page, right? So let's look for it. So you have to be very careful so that I don't change things that you don't want to change. So it looks like, so the images are immediately after the navigation. So this is the navigation right here. Let me see. Home, summer. This is the navigation. Okay. So you see, these are the images. So this is the first image. So this is the first image, background 1, background 2, image background 2, and image background 3. And I can confirm from the image folder in here. So you see image background 1, 2, 3. So let's see what that image is. See, it's just blank, right? And that is what is showing in here, is blank. Okay, so now let's assume that I want to change this image. Okay, so what I can do again, if you have image, you can use your image, but I'm going to use free pick for now. Okay, free pick that we usually use. Okay, so let's say I will just say, then you should know that this image is supposed to be landscape. Okay, so you should don't look for portrait image, so landscape image. So landscape, let's just say church images. Okay, so let's say I want to put this in there. So again, you remember, you come here, you download it, free download. So I have it in there. Then I will go to my download folder. I can copy this. Then I will go to my image folder, put it in here. And I can name it new BG, new background. Okay, so now I'll just go to my code and I'll just say new background. Okay, so when I refresh this, see, just came up here. Very easy, right? So okay, so I think I have the picture of one of my church people. So let's see. So I have another image that I want to use. So let me put this image. So let me rename this as new bg underscore 2. Okay, good. So let's go into the code. So let's refresh this. If I go to the second, see, these are my church kids. See, I can put pictures of them in here, and it's really good. Then if I don't want this, tell the world about blah blah blah, it's right here. Okay, all I have to do is just comment all of this out. So you do control / or command / it will comment that out. See, there you go. So by the way, these are my friends. Okay, so you see, that's how you change the text, and that's how you change the image. Okay, it's very easy. And then I'll just keep changing things. So like these are the services. I can put all the services that we have and all of that. Okay, so now to change color, I don't think there are good examples, because like to change color is the most difficult part of this, right? Because it's not. So for example, this one now, this is green, so assuming I want to change that color, it's very difficult. Yeah, I mean, so you could just locate this ID in the CSS, right? You might be lucky to find it there, but you might not be lucky. Then first, you don't even know where. Okay, it should be in here. You see, the color is not here. Oh yeah, I think this is the color. Yeah, this is the color in here. Yeah, this is the color. So you can just come in here. So let me comment this one out and let me put black. So 000 is black. Okay, and FFF is white. I'll teach you guys later why that is. Okay, so let's put black and try that. Okay, yeah, well, yeah, we are very lucky, but sometimes it's very difficult, right? But yeah, this one is very easy to find. So you just have to look for what you are changing, right? Go to the code and see the ID or the class that is being applied to it, and you go and check it in your CSS, right? You always try to look at style.css, okay, and you'll be able to find it. Okay, another way to get this is if you inspect, right, then you click on this, then anything that you want to change the color, just click on it like this, then it will show you where the color is coming from. Okay, so then you'll be able to trace it in your CSS. See, if I cancel this and I enable this, it's gonna change to green. Okay, so but that's one way to also check for it. Okay, so but I think the green color is actually better than black, so I'm gonna revert back to that. So but anyways, see, it's very easy, You come here, you look for the template that you want. You know, they have a lot in here, right? um See, they have a lot, right? And we can select it by categories in here. So after downloading, just make some changes and then you have it. Okay, so now let's assume that you have everything done and you want to um uh publish it, right? So hopefully this will work. So one way that we can do it, so you have to upload this whole folder at once, right? This whole church folder at once in your GitHub. So let's go. So you have to go to the this page, all right? So then we'll say add file. We can say create a new file. Let's no upload files, not create new file, upload files. Okay, so then we can drag and drop. This is gonna be interesting. Okay, so let's say I have that, and I have this. Okay, I think this is good. So don't select choose files. Okay, just drag and drop the whole thing in here. So I say there's a lot of files. Try uploading fewer than 100 at a time. Okay, so it seems that the file has a lot of things in there. Okay, so we'll probably have to upload them one after the other, right? So let's create a new folder, empty folder called church uh, church 2 or something, right? Then we'll upload this folder to this empty folder. Okay, so let's go again, upload files. So let's see, we should be able to upload the empty folder. Oh, this file is hidden. Okay, so let's do something. So let's just add about me, only about me to it. I'm just looking for a way to get around it. So just add one file to that folder, then let's drag and drop it again. Okay, good. So commit changes. So now in our church 2, then we'll now keep adding files, right? So remember we added about already, so you have to add it. Hopefully this won't be too much. So let's add till index. Good. So it worked till index. So it doesn't allow you to upload too many files at a time. That's the issue. Okay. So after that, then we commit this one again. Okay. This might take some time. I'll probably skip the videos. Okay, well, it works fine. Okay, so again, let's come here. Then we need to upload the remaining ones, right? So remember we stopped at index. So now we can come here and upload the rest, which is this guy. Hopefully it's, yeah, good. So the trick is to create a folder, put one file in there, upload the folder, then try to upload other files one after the other. If you need help with that, please let me know. All right, and then the template that you choose might not have this issue. Okay, so then I'll just click on these to take some time to process. Close all of this. Okay, good. So next, I can leave this as church 2. Um, should we leave it like that or change it? Yeah, I think I'll just leave it like that. Okay. So, but you see that this is still building, okay? So when everything is done, right? Um, and I do this, my website slash church 2, it should come up, right? But it's gonna take time to build. So I'll probably just wait till it's built and show you guys. Okay. Okay, guys, welcome back. So it seems everything is built fine. Everything is fine. Okay. So now when I go in here, you see, I have another website that is live, you know, and I can see the picture of my friends from my church, right? So all I have to do is just, again, don't forget, create a new folder, right? Just put one file in there, upload this folder, right? Then in GitHub, later add this, or maybe 5 at a time. You know, if you add the same error that I got, right? And you see you have another website. You see, it didn't take me like an hour to do. Okay, so so please again try as much as possible to use your own templates, the one that you love, right? It might be hotel and traveling, travel, you know, uh, like anything that you want to do, you know, just make sure that you're able to change images, change text, you know, and anything, right? And if you want to build website for your school too, you see, you can just start from here, you know, and I don't have to worry because this probably should be mobile friendly. You see, it did everything for me, really nice, right? So yeah, hopefully you guys learned a lot from this video, right? um if you have any question, please let me know, or reach out to me and I will answer all your questions. All right, see you guys in the next video, which is project demo, you know. Bye.